What happens if you take the number 1 and divide it by 1 plus itself forever? It looks like a formatting error or a staircase to nowhere, but this infinite fraction is actually the mathematical DNA of a sunflower, a galaxy, and a Parthenon. Today we're going to solve the infinite ones and find the most famous ratio in history. At first glance, this looks like a nightmare to calculate. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus till infinity. And every time we try to find the bottom, the fraction just grows another floor. But just like Ramanujan's radicals were infinite power towers, the secret is not in the calculation, it's in the Inception Trick. We can start by assuming this entire infinite mess has a final value. Let's call this whole expression here as x. Then I'll go to find x. Now look closely at the denominator of the first fraction. Because the staircase goes on forever, the part under the first one is identical to the whole thing. If the total is x, then that infinite piece downstairs, this portion here, is equal to this portion. So if the total is x, then this portion here is also x. So we can now replace the entire infinite tail with just that one letter. Our infinite staircase collapsed into a simple, beautiful equation. X is equal to 1 plus 1 over x. To solve this, we need to get x out of the denominator. To do this, we can multiply the entire equation by x. So x squared is equal to 1 plus x, or x plus 1. Now we have a quadratic solution because we can move the variables and the constants all to one side. X squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we have a quadratic equation. This is not factor, so we can use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Plugging in our numbers, a equals to 1, b equals to negative 1, c equals to negative 1, we can get that x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Since our original problem is all positive additions, the result must be positive. So we just take the plus version. So this will equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. This number is approximately 1.618. You might know it as phi, the golden ratio. So this infinite mess of ones is the exact mathematical definition of the most aesthetically pleasing proportion in existence. It turns out that nature loves this fraction because it's the most irrational number. It's the hardest number to approximate with simple fractions, which allows plants to pack seeds without overlapping. Complexity on the outside, perfect logic on the inside. If you want to see more hidden patterns, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.